Hello guys, today in this video I will discuss about the feature of SCCM, that is task sequence. So how it works and what are the benefits of using task sequence. Let us discuss all these things in this video. So starting with, you have to open SCCM console and you have to navigate to software library, then overview, then operating systems, and then task sequences. Then you have to right click and create new task sequence. You have to select create a new custom task sequence. Then you have to provide a name, like I have provided capture reference computer. Then you have to select boot image, that is boot image x86, that is 32-bit. Then next step is to right click capture reference computer and then select edit from the shortcut menu. Then you have to select add and select new group and select the capture image. Then going forward, you have to select three options from images, that is prepare config mgr client for capture, prepare windows for capture, and capture operating system image. I will show how to select these. So you can select like this. Then the second one is like this, and the third one is like this. Now we have to add new group and we will name it domain membership check, like this. Next, I would use the WMI query to verify domain memberships on the options page. So here is the WMI query. I am using it to verify. Then we will run the test query and it will return the result count as 1. So that means it is a member of domain. So let's have the final step to join the system to a work group. So here we can do like this. Go to gender and select join domain or work group. Then we have this console and you have to write work group there. Next step is to create device collections. So go to asset and compliance in the SSM console, then create device collections, and you have to then specify the details of the collection, like I have named it capture image and I have selected the limiting collections as all systems. Then I will add the reference computer in the collection as direct member. So here I have added and I would then click on next. Then collection will get created with one member. Now I will right click the collection and I would select deploy task sequence through shortcut menu and I would create a deployment. So just keep on clicking next and finish the wizard. Then I will log into the computer which I added in the collection and I would open the software center and I would click on the task sequence which I deployed. Here I would click on install. Here I would click on the prompt OK to proceed with the deployment of task sequence. So now it is showing that installation is in progress. So this is what I discussed all about the task sequence as a feature in SCCM. And this feature is very useful in OS deployment around the environment and domain. Thank you for watching this video. For more such technical videos, stay tuned to my channel and do email me on my given contact details on the card for any queries, suggestions or feedback. Till then, goodbye, take care.